Hello and welcome to this tutorial on InstantLayer. InstantLayer allows you to create adjustment layers and color mats of the correct length much faster than the traditional method. Let's take a look at the plugin's interface first, and then we'll see how to configure it. The FX button creates an adjustment layer, and the color button creates a color mat. On the left, 3 presets are available to be applied along with the layers. The track selection field allows you to assign the layers to the first available track A, or force placement on a specific track. The update button updates the track selection field. Now let's see how the plugin works with adjustment layers. The process is the same for color mats. Simply position your playhead where you want it in the timeline and click the FX button to create an adjustment layer. InstantLayer will instantly create an adjustment layer on the first available track. In the project panel, it is also created in a specific folder. By default, this layer will be reused and subsequent layers will be created more quickly in the timeline. If you first select a clip and click FX, the adjustment layer will be placed on the first available track above it at the same length as the selected clip. You can also select an entire group of clips to apply an adjustment layer from the beginning to the end of that group. By default, layers are created on the first available track above with the automatic option, but you can assign them to a specific track, for example, track V7 in this case. When you select multiple clips and click FX while holding down the Shift key, an adjustment layer is placed on each clip at the same length. When you select multiple clips and click FX while holding down the Option key on Mac or Control on Windows, an adjustment layer is placed between each clip. If you want to apply a preset to the adjustment layer, check the box for the desired preset, then click FX. Here, a Gaussian blur is applied to the layer. Now let's see how to configure the plugin. Click the small hamburger menu to the right of InstantLayer and select Settings. First, you'll find the Preset folder. InstantLayer integrates the Premiere Pro folder by default, but you can add a second folder. Next, you'll find a selection menu where you can choose 3 presets to apply. Here, you can choose the label color. This color will also be changed for the buttons in the main panel. Single click lets you choose the duration of layers in single click mode in seconds. The right-hand column allows you to choose the layer duration between clips, this time in frame count. For creating color mats, you can bypass the selection windows for choosing the mat name and color. When used with Shift or Option/Control in alignment mode, all layers are created on the same track. In Cascade mode, each layer is created on the first available track. You can choose the names of the folders created in the project panel with the option to have a shared folder for both types of layers. In Same mode, only one adjustment layer or color mat is created in the project panel, even if several are created in the timeline. In New mode, a new layer is created in the project panel each time a layer is created in the timeline. Limitations. Due to restrictions related to the Premiere Pro API, there are some limitations with this plugin. Presets and effects will not work, in particular, with elements that contain color modifications or keyframes with a speed modification. InstantLayer supports motion path, transform, and most of Premiere's native effects. Thank you and enjoy.